Welcome back to Morning Markets. A couple of areas of focus yesterday. First one, China's 5-year economic plan. Second, the producer prices in the US. And third, the initial jobless claims in the US. Starting first with the China 5-year economic plan. In the early hours of Wednesday morning here in the UK, China's State Council and the Communist Party Central Committee published a document providing greater insight to the 5-year economic plan of China. Whilst the plan itself is not new, this was released earlier in the year, the document comes at a time where there is close attention on China following the recent moves to limit the powers of the private education sector. The plan includes various measures to enhance national security, enhance technological capabilities and tighten laws to support their own innovation, culture and manage the curriculum of education. Developments in China are an area which we are monitoring very closely with our managers. In terms of US producer prices, yesterday Jeff discussed the inflation prints for July from the US, which came in at 5.4% year on year. This was the same as the previous month and a moderation in the month-on-month change. Throughout the day, we also received the final producer price reading for July, which demonstrated a 1% increase month-on-month, giving a 7.8% increase year on year. This number is 6.1% if you strip out the more volatile aspects of food, but also energy as well. Whilst material and energy costs were higher, the biggest component of this was increase in servicing costs by transportation, but also warehousing, which were up 2.7%. Whilst the year-on-year rate of increase is high, we are getting a better feel now for the drivers' inflation, and it is reassuring to see a number of the more volatile areas moderating as guided by the Federal Reserve. Finally, just in terms of the jobless claims in the US, building on the US data from yesterday, we also had the US initial jobless claims data. Those claiming welfare support for the first time is what the index is essentially capturing. Last week, 375,000 US citizens claimed support for the first time. We've seen that rate fall for 4 consecutive weeks now. A normal level is around 250,000 a week. So at the peak of the pandemic, this was around 6 million. You can see how this trend has evolved on screen now. This number is likely to continue to roll off in the coming weeks with more people returning to work driven by the increased vaccination rates. You now have around 58% of the US population have received at least 1 dose of the vaccine, but also as government support packages start to roll off. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to bringing you up to date on Monday here on Morning Markets.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.